Hey YouTube fam, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're going to do some pork tenderloin sandwiches. So I got some sliced up pork tenderloins that I sliced from the loin itself, and I'm going to pound these babies up so we can make them nice and tender. And these are the seasonings that we do have. So as you can see, we got a nice selection of seasonings. So we got some garlic powder, some black pepper, some salt, and some onion powder, along with some parsley flakes, some Cajun seasoning, and one of my favorites of all times now, Weber's Savory Steakhouse seasoning. And we're definitely going to combine all of these flavors, and this is what I'm going to season up the pork loins with. And for the flour, this is what we've got, some all-purpose flour, and I also added the same exact seasonings that you have seen me describe here earlier. And then I'm going to use 3 eggs. Now this is what's going to make the pork tenderloin so special when I fry it up. I'm just going to use the egg whites, and I'm going to fluff them out by giving them a nice beat down. All right, and with that, I got some sesame seed rolls that I'm going to toast up on top of the stove, and I'm going to use my favorite condiments, some lettuce and some tomatoes, along with some mayo. So y'all, let's go ahead and make this here recipe, and I'm guaranteeing you, y'all trust and believe me, if you try this recipe at home, you will always try this recipe, and people will love you and thank you sure enough just for making this special thing for them. So let's go ahead and give this a try, like right now.
you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say